What do we do?
Put your hand up there. Put your fucking hand up there. Jesus Christ. Keep your fucking hands on the wheel. Hands on top of your head. Hands on top of your head. Step out of the vehicle and step away from here.
I'm not trying to win. I get on the ground, anything. I can't stand this shit, man. He know it. He know it.
They're moving around a lot. Let me see your hands.
Damn, man.
Stay in the car. Let me see your other hand.
I'm sorry.
Let me see your other hand.
Please, Miss Officer.
Both hands.
Do nothing.
Put your fucking hands up right now. Let me see your other hand.
All right. What I do though? What do we do?
Put your hand up there. Put your fucking hand up there. Jesus Christ. Keep your fucking hands on the wheel. Keep your fucking hands on the wheel.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, Miss Officer.
Who else is in the car?
I got shot. This is my
Put your foot back in.
I'm sorry, Miss Officer. I'm so sorry. God dang, man. Man, I got shot the same way as I was before.
Okay, well, when I say let me see your hands, you put your fucking hands up.
I'm so sorry, Miss Officer.
You got them?
Man, dang, man.
Put your hands on top of your head.
Man, Miss Officer. Last time I got shot like that, Miss Officer.
Hands on top of your head. Hands on top of your head. Step out of the vehicle and step away from me, all right? Step out and face away. Step out and face away.
Okay, Miss Officer, please don't shoot me. Please, man.
I'm not going to shoot you. Step out and face away.
I'm looking you eye to eye, man. Please don't shoot me, man.
I'm not shooting you, man.
Please, man. I just lost my mom, man.
I'm taking one out. Step out and face away.
So sorry.
Step out and face away.
Please don't shoot me, Mr. Officer. Please. Don't shoot me, man.
Step out and face away.
Can you not shoot me, man?
I'm not shooting you. Step out and face away.
Okay. Please, man. Please. I didn't know, man.
Get out of the car.
I didn't know, Mr. Officer. I didn't know.
Put your fucking hands right now.
Stop moving. Put your hands behind your back then. I'm not going to do nothing. Face in the door.
Jen's over home.
Hey, you come back. Stay in the car.
I'm sorry, Mr. Officer. I get on my knees, whatever. Oh, man.
Stop resisting, man.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I want to do nothing else, man. Just help me. Please, that's okay.
Stand up.
Please, man.
Against the wall.
Oh, me?
Yes.
What I doing?
We're figuring out what's going on. Drop the bag.
Figure out what's going on.
Yeah, Adam,
What's the problem?
Said something to him. It ain't us.
we was getting a ride,
I
sir.
just got my phone fixed. This
You can ask
my
Adam on
ex-man.
that. Adam know me.
This is my ex.
Are you good?
He keep coming and get my car.
That's it, man.
Adam, you can ask Mr.
You got
Adam
ID?
about us,
Take
sir.
Floyd to jail.
You can ask Mr. Adam about me.
Do you have ID?
I'm on 38th in Chicago.
Man.
320 we're code for.
You can ask Mr. Adam about me, sir. I just came to buy a tablet, and when I bought a tablet, he didn't
Oh
work.
my
with whatever.
God. He didn't even do nothing.
Here you go, sir.
You have ID?
No, I don't. My
You got
name's
anything with your
Shawan
name on it?
Renee Hill. Fuck, no.
Sir.
Okay.
I just came over to get my phone. You see, I don't have a purse or nothing.
Mr. Adam
And my
knows
daughter
me.
is on her way to get me.
What's his deal?
I don't
Mr. Adam
know.
knows me, sir.
That's
His
my
deal, he
ex.
just-
I
he
don't
just-
know.
Why is he getting all squirrely and not showing us his hands and just being all weird like that?
Because he's been shot
been
before.
trying
He
to-
don't
Well, I
wanna-
get that, but still, when officers say get out of the car, is
Over
he
30
drunk? Is
minutes.
he on something?
No, he got a thing going on. I'm telling you
What
about
does
the
that mean?
police. He have problems all the time when they come, especially when that man stood that gun like that. It's been one.
What's your
He's
first name?
pretty
His name is
good.
George Floyd.
What is it?
He's a good guy. George Floyd, she said.
Can you spell that?
I don't know how to spell George, sir.
Her name.
My name is, my name.
Your name,
Shawan
yeah.
Renee Hill.
Can you spell it?
SHAWANDA.
S-H-A-W?
Yeah, right, sir. He
Yeah,
just,
he
said,
okay.
but Mr. Adam,
Put him in the car.
Mr. Adam can
Shawanda what?
Hill. Renee. R-E-N-E-E.
What's your last name?
Hill. H-I-L-L.
And your date of
Is
birth?
y'all coming and get me 127.75? Okay.
Okay, well, so here's the thing. Someone passed a fake bill in there. We come over here, he starts grabbing for the keys, all that stuff. Starts getting weird, not showing us his hands. I don't know what's going on, so you're coming out of the car. So just hang tight right here. Stay right here, please.
Ouchie,
What
man.
are you on something right now?
I'm not, no, nothing.
Because you acting a little erratic.
Man, it's
Let's go.
scared, man.
Let's go.
God, man. Yes. Yes, I was just whooping earlier.
Let's go.
Man, what up? All right, let me calm down now. It's feeling a little better now.
Keep walking.
Like, okay, do me one favor, man.
No, when we get to the car, let's get to the car, man. Come on.
Dang, man. Oh, man. God, don't leave me, man. Please, man, don't leave me, man.
Here.
I
want to watch that car, too, so get him in.
Just unlock the door. Stand up. Stop falling down. Stand up. Stay on your feet and face the car door.
You get a seat
Please.
No.
Please.
Can
Can I talk to you, man? I just want to talk to you, man. Please, let me talk to you,
Man,
please.
you ain't listening to nothing
I
we're
know.
saying, so we're not going to listen to nothing you're saying.
Can you watch that car? Just make sure no one goes in it.
I hear you, but you are going to face the door right now.
Listen up. Stop.
I'll do anything. I'll do anything y'all tell me to do, man. I'm not a resistor, man. I'm not. You can ask him. He know me, you
Check
know.
that side.
God, man, I'm gonna do nothing like that, y'all. Why is it going on like this? Look at my wrist, Mr. Officer. I'm not that kind of guy.
Other side.
Mr. Officer, I'm not that kind of guy.
Stop.
You please? I'm not that kind of guy, Mr. Officer. Please.
Space away.
Please, man. Don't leave me by myself, man. Please. I'm just claustrophobic. That's it.
Well, you're still going in the car.
Anything sharp on you?
I won't do nothing to hurt y'all, Mr.
find anything
Officer.
sharp
No,
on you?
sir.
Not even like a comb or nothing?
Nothing, because I don't have nothing. Why y'all doing me like that, Mr. Officer? Please, crack it, doing it for me and stuff, man. I am claustrophobic for real, Mr. Officer.
You got him?
Can you please crack it for me, please?
Yes, I'll
Remember my
crack
name.
it.
Stay
I
with me,
will.
man.
I will.
Please stay with me, man. Thank you. God, man. I didn't know all this was going to happen, man. Please, man. I just want my hands free. I don't want none of y'all, man. Nothing.
You got it?
Inside in your pocket real quick on your shirt. I'm listening.
And I understand that people do stuff and
All
y'all
right, he's
don't know
good.
me.
That's guns, whatever. There's nothing working.
Okay.
Grab a seat.
Guys having trouble walking.
Because I was my
I'll roll the windows down, okay?
Please, man. Please don't do this.
Take a seat.
I'm going in, Mr. Officer. I'm going
No,
in.
you're not.
I gotta go in.
Take a seat.
Grab a seat, man.
Mind y'all don't believe me, Mr. Officer.
Take a seat.
I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not that kind of guy, man.
Take a seat.
Y'all, I'm gonna die in here.
Take a
I'm
seat.
gonna die, man.
You need to take a seat right now.
And I just had COVID, man. I don't want to go back to that.
Okay, I'll roll the windows
No.
down. Hey, listen.
Dang, man.
Listen.
I'm not that kind of guy.
I'll roll the windows down as
Please,
you pull
man.
your legs in, all right? I'll
Y'all
put the air on.
God, look at that. Look at
You're
that.
not even
Look,
listening.
look at it. Look at it.
We can fix it,
Look.
but not while you're standing out here.
Okay, man. God, y'all do me bad, man. Man, I don't want to try to win. I don't want to try to win. I don't want to win. I'm claustrophobic. I'm claustrophobic. I got anxiety. I don't want to do nothing to
I'll
them.
roll the window down.
Man, I'm scared as fuck, man. When I start breathing, it's gonna go off on me, man.
Pull your legs in.
Okay. Let me count to 3. Let me count to 3 and I'm going in. Please. I'm not trying to win. I get on the ground, anything. I can't stand this shit, man. He know it. Okay, can I talk to you, please?
As you get in this car, we can talk.
I'm claustrophobic.
I'm hearing you, but you're not working with me.
God, I'm claustrophobic, man.
in the
Wipe your
car.
butt over here. I'm going to pull you in.
Get in the
Can you
car.
put me in the front? Please.
No, you're not getting in the
I'm
front.
claustrophobic, Mr. Officer.
Get in the car.
Okay, man, okay. I'm not a bad guy,
Man,
man.
get in the car.
I'm not a bad guy. Man. Open my doors. Please, officer. Please.
Sit.
Please.
Take a seat.
Please, man. Please. No,
Take a seat.
I can't choke. I can't breathe, officer. Please.
Fine.
My wrist, man. Please. I can't take this, man. I can't. I'm lay on the ground.
Getting in the squad.
I'm gonna lay on the ground. I'm going down.
Get in the squad.
I'm going down. I'm not going to sleep, man.
Bro, you look down a heart attack shit, man. Get in the car.
I know I can't breathe.
Take some oxygen there.
I just had COVID, man.